police นั่นเองแล้วก็ไปแจ้งความกับ police ว่าเนี่ยลูกเธอหายอะไรไปอย่างนั้นนะแต่ว่าพอแจ้งไปแล้วเนี่ยมันก็เหมือนกับจะไม่มีเบาะแสอะไรเลยนะครับคือตำรวจก็ไม่รู้ว่าจะไปเริ่มสืบค้นหาจากที่ไหนใช่ไหมและเรื่องราวของหนูแอนนาเนี่ยก็เลยเหมือนจะเป็นปริศนาอยู่มาอีกสักระยะหนึ่งเลยละครับจนกระทั่ง
radios were down. Even the ham radio they used to communicate with school kids and interested radio operators wasn't functioning. He was alone.
Shit.
His heart was pounding.
Sucks.
The thought of his family coping with whatever had happened was untenable.
Yep, that's
it was exacerbated by the idea of waiting for hours in
Why people hate motorcyclists.
Not been around.
I just want to give them more of a benefit of the doubt.
Should Google what that was. 85th and
two of the very most difficult players to value.
It was just like a churro stand.
Certainly, if you're contending this year versus playing for next year, that definitely plays a big role in how you value both of those players. All right, let's head to one final break. When we come back, I'm going to ask Todd about where he would be.
They were just finishing, turned on the generator, and the plastic got sucked into it.
Oh.
So it's like $100,000
generator.
Yeah, repair and stuff. So he's like, there's gonna be
fucking guy.
There's gonna be a lawsuit. He wants what? Is he seriously riding people so that they can?
So he won't pass.
Wow.
Smoothie was pretty good, huh?
We didn't make our own smoothie.
Well, yeah, we did. We
bought the frozen bananas and strawberries.
I know it, but we wasn't pre-mixed.
No, that's all it was. What's that?
Fucking asshole just hit me.
Fuck.
It's his little car. He just fucking hit. God damn. Yeah, I'm trying. Fucking let me over. Just fucking go. Go.
on one of your drive times.
Continue on West Main Street.
What the stop lines are for, people. Fucking moron! Fucking moron!